Hey folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to do a rotisserie picanha. Okay, so I've got this gorgeous bit of picanha here. It's a well-loved cut of beef in Brazil. If you want to get hold of it over here in the UK, you would call it a rump cap. So if you go to your butcher and ask for a rump cap, you can see it's got gorgeous marbling in. And this is a nice bit of Angus. I can't wait to get this on the rotisserie. It's one of my favourite ways of cooking it. You can cook it like this as well, or in pieces on the rotisserie. So that's what we're going to do today. So what I do with this is cut it into 3 equalish bits. As you can see, it's hard to get it equal because this is a thinner end, that's the thicker end, but we're going to try and do our best. So and probably about there. Okay, 3 equalish bits. It's not easy, like I said. First bit I'm going to put on is this bit. What you want to do is to get that fat cap crispy, so that's going to be around the outside protecting that gorgeous meat. So what I'm going to do, pop that, there we go. Next bit, let's give this a little start there. Let's start it. And same for this one, just give it a little bit to get through there. Like that. There you go. Get it on as best as you can. And then lots of salt, nice sea salt, rock salt, whichever. This is Malden. And tighten up these. Make sure it's nice and secure. Go. A bit more sea salt. And that's going to go onto the rotisserie over there. Okay, so I've been cooking the picanha on the rotisserie over on the Quinta Kamado there. A new bit of kit for the Quinta, so it's nice to be able to cook on it. You can't check the temperature with a wired thermometer, so I've used the meter block here with its probe to check that this is medium rare. So I took it up to about 56 degrees C internal, and the meter block has just allowed me to cook this and to check the temperature on the rotisserie. So that's done its job now. It looks amazing, nice crispy fat on here. So let's have a look and see how we've done with this. Take that off. It's been resting for a few minutes, so it's good to take off. There we go. The fat looks nice and crispy on this. Lovely. Blushing pink. There we go. That looks beautiful. Nicely cooked, nice bit of crisp fat on. I'm going to go and have a taste. So. Oh wow. Picanha is such a lovely bit of beef. It's one of my favourites, I think. It's always so juicy, and that fat on top just adds so much flavour. All I've done with this is a bit of sea salt. That's beautiful. Making use of the kit I've got to cook a beautiful bit of beef is always a winner. And if you like this, and if you've cooked in this way, then let me know. How do you like your picanha cooked? Always interested to hear what other people think. So let me know. There's a comments box down there. Let me know. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and enjoy. Cheers.